Hey there YouTube, good afternoon. Do you got one of these Weber grills like this, made from like the 1980s to the 1990s, and it's got one of these vents on the bottom like this, and whenever you slide back and forth the vent, it's all seized up and rusted up? Well, I'm going to make a video to show you how to get that loose. You're going to need some penetrating oil or rust preventative, and you're going to need a blowtorch. So what you do is you spray the bottom nut right here with penetrating oil, and then you apply your heat. Don't worry about the flammage. Just get that nice and hot. Get that nice and hot. Just let the torch do its work. And this is a propane torch, by the way. Just let the torch do its work. And then spray it with some penetrating oil. You'll get a little bit of smoke, but just repeat the process. Do it again. Don't worry about the flammage. If the flames get a little bit high, sort of lay off the flame a little bit. Lay off the torch. Just let the torch do its work. Don't worry about the flames unless the flames get too high. And you spray it with some penetrating oil again. Don't worry about the flame. And you just work the handle back and forth until it gets loose. This handle's already been loose for the vent, so I was just giving you guys a demonstration on how to get that vent unseized. And that concludes the video. Bye.